This is probably one of the most simple circuits we can get. Here you see we've just got an LED and a resistor. The resistor is necessary because the 5 volts is too much for the LED. I'll show you that in a minute. Our code, there is no code. You can see here there's no code at all. It's not required for this particular circuit. And if I start the simulation, you'll see the light goes on as you would expect, stop. If I take the resistor out and I bypass where the resistor was, so I just feed 5 volts in, you'll see that it smashes the bulb. That's why we need the resistor. The other interesting thing is the Arduino really here is just being used as a power source or a battery. We could in fact put the resistor back in. We could replace it with an actual battery. So if we were to take the ground, plug it to negative, take the 5 volts, plug it to positive, start the simulation, you'll see the bulb lights up also. So this is the most simple type of circuit we do.